Welcome to Jalen Tuacom, a beautifully designed modern landed home where refined aesthetics meet everyday comfort. We begin at the grand porch, offering a welcoming arrival with generous space and a sense of understated luxury. Step into the expansive living room, where open proportions create an elegant setting ideal for both entertaining and relaxed family living. The well-equipped kitchen is thoughtfully designed for functionality, seamlessly connected to a practical helper's room and a spacious, versatile yard that supports daily household needs. Going up to level 2, you're welcomed into an elegant living area that provides a more private setting for relaxation or intimate gatherings. A premium dry kitchen complements the space, perfect for light cooking, hosting, or casual conversations. Step out onto the leisure balcony, a refreshing greenery escape that brings natural calm into the home. This level also features a private luxury home theater, ideal for immersive movie nights and relaxed entertainment. Going up to level 3, a common bedroom presents an open canvas, ready to be personalized as a guest room, study, or creative space. Alongside it is a master bedroom, offering a refined and comfortable private retreat. Going up to level 4, a light-filled bedroom creates a bright and uplifting environment. The master bedroom is a grand resting suite, thoughtfully designed for complete privacy and comfort. Generous proportions and a soothing ambience create a refined sanctuary, complemented by a master bathroom finished with elegant details for a truly spa-like experience. Finally, going up to level 5, you're welcomed into a well-appointed study corner that's ideal for focused work, reading, or quiet productivity. Just beside it, the serene bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a calm atmosphere, perfect for rest and relaxation. Both open out to spacious and breezy balconies, offering a calm outdoor setting for fresh air and quiet moments. Located in a prime neighborhood, you're just minutes from top schools, shopping, and all the essentials. Ready to make Jalen Tuacom your new home? Contact us today and schedule your private viewing.